In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play custom games on Discord. If you've ever wanted to play games with your friends without leaving Discord, you're in the right place. Discord includes a feature called Activities that lets you launch built-in games directly from a voice channel. It's a quick and easy way to turn a regular voice chat into a fun game session, whether you're interested in Wordle, poker, chess, or other available activities. The entire process only takes a few clicks, and once you know where everything is, you'll be able to start a game whenever your friends are online. To get started, open Discord and sign into your account if you haven't already. These steps are very similar whether you're using the desktop app, the mobile app, or Discord in your web browser, so you can follow along using whichever version you prefer. Once you're signed in, join the server where you want to play. If you already have a server with your friends, simply open it. If not, you can create a new server and invite the people you want to play with before continuing. After you've entered the server, locate one of the available voice channels, since Discord activities can only be launched from within a voice chat. Click on the voice channel to join it, and make sure you're successfully connected before moving to the next step. Once you're connected, look for the activities icon in the voice channel controls. It's represented by a group of different shapes and is usually easy to find while you're connected to the voice chat. Click the activities icon to open Discord's collection of built-in games and shared experiences. A menu will appear showing the activities currently available for your account. Depending on your region and Discord's available features, you may see games such as Wordle, poker, chess, and several other interactive activities. Take a moment to browse through the list and choose the game you'd like to play. Once you've made your selection, click Start Activity. Discord will launch the game directly inside the voice channel, making it available for everyone else who is connected. This makes the process simple because everything runs inside Discord, so there isn't any complicated setup required. After the activity starts, everyone in the voice channel can join the game and begin playing together in real time. Whether you're hosting a casual game night or just looking for something fun to do while chatting, Discord activities make it easy to enjoy interactive games with friends. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to play custom games on Discord using activities, and once you've done it once, you'll be able to launch games again anytime with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,